If you have pain in your thigh or quadriceps muscles right in here, I'm going to show you how to get rid of it in about 5 to 10 minutes with some simple self-massage and using these massage tools. You may have thigh pain from squats or from running or from driving, say, because your foot is on the pedal all the time and you're flexing and extending these muscles. For me, I'm usually sewing for hours and hours. And after you do these activities for long enough, the lactic acid builds up in the muscles and makes them tighter and tighter, and then you have pain. Hey everybody, this is Brett, and today I'm going to show you how to get rid of the pain in your quadriceps. Now I have quadricep pain right here, right now. And that has prompted me to make this video. So I'm going to show you how to get rid of it quite quickly within 5 or 10 minutes here by using one of two tools, either this one or this one. This tool is a handheld tool. Take some oil like so, and you put it on your quads like this. And your IT band. And you take this tool, which is a very inexpensive, simple tool. As you can see, it's got different edges for different aggressiveness. And I'm going to make my legs straight to release the muscles. And I'm going to start with this 1/4 inch edge contoured blade and start working it like this, including the IT band. I'm going to push it this way for a little while, and then I'm going to flip it over and push it the other way. And then I'm going to use a sharper edge. That's feeling like I need the sharper edge in a minute here. But first I'm going to push it too. The belly of the muscle is in here, and that's right where the knot is. I can feel it. So I was doing long strokes first. Oh yeah. That's it. Now I'm doing some shorter strokes. All these muscles are interconnected. There are several of them. Femoris longus, medialis. Okay, I'm gonna use a sharper edge now and kind of work on the fascia. The fascia is more superficial, right underneath your skin. It's a big bag that covers all your muscles. It's a big bag that's underneath your skin that holds your body together, called fascia. Okay, so now I'm going to work right in the middle, in the belly of that muscle. And now I'm going to flip it over again. Work it this way a little bit. There, right in there. That right there is, oh yeah. You hear that little ratcheting sound, can you hear that? The little ratcheting sound is the fascia that's ratcheting under the blade. I'm going to switch that to the sharpest edge now, which is that one. These tools are only $13 on sale right now on my website, and I'll put the link in the description box down below. And you know, it's also really good to work on your perineal major and minor out here, because see, these muscles are connected to these muscles in the exterior, the outer line of muscles in your body. So let me grab the Shindig So all these tools are amazing for you to be able to work on your body, and after you own them, then if you take care of them, they'll last you your whole lifetime. So you get a really good hold of it with this, and this particular tool works perfect for this particular region of your leg. You'll notice if you try that this that doesn't work because it doesn't really feel as good. This works great for this, whereas this would not work so good for that. And you would just have to see what I mean by trying these tools. Maybe you can kind of see by watching me, but believe me, this works great for this, whereas the other one doesn't. After you've been doing massage for long enough, and after you've been making massage tools for long enough, then you know what shape and size to make the tools. And also, I'm a woodworker, so I can feel right there that that is also tight, but it's quickly getting loose. These are fantastic massage tools. They're handmade, they're also partially machine made, and then they're hand finished with a natural tongue oil, not lacquer. So when you buy massage tools from Amazon or wherever, they're almost always covered with lacquer. That's because they're mass produced. These are not mass produced massage tools. So now I'm going to show you the WAEF massage tool. Okay, so the shorts were getting in the way, so we just got rid of those. And this is the WAEF massage tool, short for when all else fails. And that really is the truth. I've used this tool every single day for the last 8 to 10 years. And it really gets the tension out of your quads better than anything else. If someone is really good at using their feet, which is ashiatsu barefoot massage, that can be pretty effective on the upper legs, but more so for the hamstrings. So when it comes to IT bands and quads, but also hamstrings, see, you can put so much weight right on that tight muscle, including the inside as well. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to work on your hamstrings. I already put some oil on there. Needs just a little bit more. All you have to do is lift up on it and release some weight on it and slide and strip. It's an amazing, amazing massage tool. You can also work on your calves like this. You just hold the tool with both hands. You can also turn it to get it wherever you want it. The upgraded version of this tool has another big circular region on this side of it for your legs, which is really cool as well. This is my old one, and you can see how much I've used it. I've used this tool every single day for 8 or 10 years now. It is really the WAEF, the when all else fails tool. Amazing tool. And they're really amazing massage tools, and you can find them at brettsnaturalhealth.com. Both this one and this one are on the same page. The Shindig has its own page. So I want to thank you so much for joining me. Please give me a like, subscribe, ask a comment if you have any kind of a question or whatever in the comments down below. Thank you so much for joining me. Be well.